May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cakap angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rembak ke Jela Kuanrat ke Sangma, ulaong bak sarkar kelasong perkat, pansnano dak Surok Fourlane ke Pynïasoh nadu ke Ktem sa ki pulit Crpf Polo ter sedu ke Shillong maupat ke Poi, hadu ke Secretariat Thymmai New Shillong. Hag jingkran mikilat petai kubor kat nritrik uyayong arja alpun riu, ukuanrat ulaong bak sarkar ke laya selok, bat ki babun nadu ke hima melim, ke tenat pulit, ki trai kendau, ki nong pay school, ki nong sensyal senong, bat ki tenat trai kam beper man pen urlong ya ke project.
Yeah, so there are multiple roads that are being constructed as we speak. I don't have all the details of the maps. But yeah, one of the major ones is the Fourlane, which will take place from the CRPF camp in Polo, just after the bridge, and go through some of the forest areas and even the Ktem forest reserve areas, and connect to Belfont, and then from Belfont all the way to Mopat, and then all the way to Secretariat. So we do expect that. We have had multiple levels of discussion at multiple agency level as well as individual levels. Whether it's with the the individuals who own land there, or whether it's with the Hima Milim, or whether it is even with the police school there that is there. The in Golf Links is a school run by the police department. So all different agencies and individuals and stakeholders. Multiple rounds of discussion have taken place. We are have almost closed the discussions with almost everyone. There are one or two that are still left, but not major challenges. We have more or less come to some kind of an understanding. We just have to finalize the final details of it. So that will be the major connection. And as I said, that will be a 4-lane. It won't be 2-lane, it will be a 4-lane. So we do expect that that would really help in the overall connectivity to the new Secretariat and to the new Shillong area.